This is the Lauti Bridge, and this Lauti Bridge is located in Serang district, and so many people are coming to catch fish at this Lauti River. And the weather is very clear and crystal. You can see here so many people are coming to fishing at this beautiful river, and the name of this river is Lauti River. You see here so many people are fishing fish. Finally, I am just come to here to see the fishing pitch. They all are the fishing pitch at this beautiful river, and this beautiful river is Lauti Bridge. More than 200 people are fishing fish in this river. The weather is very quiet and pleasant at this time, and I will show you around this place. You see here candy flowers and different types of stones, and people are coming to catching fish with this river. This is the Lauti Bridge. This Lauti Bridge is very beautiful bridge maintained by the Serang district headquarters. And you see here the water is flowing very speedily, and so many Boro people are coming to fishing in this river. Beautiful river. This Lauti River is located in Serang district. Wow! You see, guys, so many Boro people are fishing, and Boro people also catching fish, and different tribes people also fishing in this river, and Boro women also fishing fish at this river. Beautiful river. This water is coming from the Bhutan, and the speed of water is very high. You see, wow, beautiful. This is the Lauti Bridge. Wow, water is very speedily flowing over here. You see here, the level of water is very high, and water is flowing very speed. As well as so many people are coming to fishing in this river, and the name of this river is Lauti River. Wow, you see, guys, here more than 500 people are coming to fishing in this river. Wow, and this place is surrounded by the water, and water everywhere. Water is flowing over here. You see here, so many people are busy to catching fish, and big fish catch up from this river. You see here, so many people are busy to catching fish. I hope they are getting so many fish, different type of fish they are catching from this river. And you see, Boro lady also catching fish. They all are busy catching fish. See, beautiful. You see, The lady are busy to catching fish at this river. With the net they are catching fish. This is the Lauti river. This water is coming from the Bhutan and so many people are catching fish at this river. The name of this bridge is Lauti Bridge. And this Lauti bridge is very beautifully maintained. And this beautiful bridge is located in under the Chirang district. And you can see here the water is very clear. And so many Bodo women are also coming to fishing at this river with the traditional zekai. This is called the zekai in our Bodo language. So many people are coming to fish at this Lauti river. And this Lauti river is located in Chirang district. Barley phone hai, Barley. So many people are coming to fishing at this river, and the name of this river is Lauti river. And Bodo people are also coming to fish with the net. Lauti phone hai, Lauti. Mas, dengar. Nak gitar mo na kayo? Ha? Gili sa. Barley phone hai, Barley phone hai. So many people are fishing fish at this river. Nak gitar mo na kayo? Tangan phone hai. Oi, kimat tuha siya. All are the busy. So many people are coming to fish at this river. This river is coming from the Bhutan. This river is surrounded by the water. The weather is very pleasant and quiet. Barley phone hai. Ito phone hai. Oh. They are catching fish. Tangar mas phone hai, Barley. Kaise? Phone hai. Murah hai go. Kamura no hoy. Kaise to? First tanga to. This is the big fish. They are catching this fish from this river. To become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. So many people are catching fish from this river, and some are already catch big fish from this river. Wow. Borai Bai Daisiri. The name of this river is Borai Bai Daisiri. You see guys. So many people are busy to catching fish. I hope they are enjoying lot of because they are catching fish at this river. You see, people everywhere they are catching fish. Wow, beautiful. This is the Lauti River and Boro lady are ready to fishing fish with the name of Zikai, traditional. And so many people are coming to fishing at this river. And this river is located in Shiraz district. The name of this river is Lauti River. And so many people are fishing fish. You see here, more than 200 people are fishing fish. The Boro women are ready to fishing fish at this river, and the weather is very quiet and pleasant here at this time. This is the Lauti River, and also this is the Lauti Bridge, and this Lauti